I'm Lynn and I'm 63 years of age, and I believe we should be looking after our skin exactly the same way we should be looking after our health. And I'm so glad that I've been introduced to Dynamic Lift, because in a very short period of time you could find a treatment that actually gives you definition of muscle and skin tone. And I don't like to wear a lot of makeup, so it looks healthy and bright, and my husband says, I don't know what you're doing, but whatever you're doing, just keep doing it. And my friends notice the difference too. It doesn't take a lot of time to have the treatment, and it is affordable, so it's something I'll certainly be continuing to do. I highly recommend Dynamic Lift for fantastic looking skin.